Welcome everyone. Today I will discuss how to find angle between two straight lines. This is portion of class 11. Today I will discuss only the basic concept. Look, y equals to m1x plus c1 and y equals to m2x plus c2. So equation of line in slope intercept form. We find angle between two lines. So we know what is m1. m1 is slope of the first line and c1 is y-intercept. m2x. So m2 is slope of the second line. Now look, if we draw a sketch, there are two lines. Suppose this one is one, second one. So AB, this represents line 1, and CD, this represents line 2. Now we know angle made by a line with positive x-axis. This is angle of inclination. Angle of inclination is alpha for the first line. For the second line, angle of inclination, this is beta. So what we are getting, m1 equals to, this is 1 and this is 2. m1 equals to tan of alpha. Angle of inclination, so tan of alpha is slope. m2 equals to tan of beta. Beta is angle of inclination. Let theta be the angle between 1 and 2. That is line 1 and 2. So this one is suppose theta. So what is beta? From figure, from this triangle, look, beta is external angle. So sum of opposite interior angle. So from figure, beta equals to alpha plus theta. So theta equals to beta minus alpha. So what is tan theta? So tan of beta minus alpha. So tan beta minus tan alpha by 1 plus tan alpha tan beta. So basic formula of trigonometry. Now this is m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Now look, there is also another angle, this one. So two lines, so this equals to this, another angle. So if you consider this as internal, then this as external, according to this figure. If phi be the external angle, if phi be the external angle, according to my figure, external angle, then you know theta plus phi equals to 180. So phi equals to 180 minus theta. So if you take tan phi, so tan 180 minus theta. So no need of expanding it, this is minus tan theta. So finally what we are getting, minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So finally we are getting tan theta equals to plus minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So that is, you can take mod. So you can write it in terms of mod. So we need angle. So what is angle? Angle is theta. So theta equals to tan inverse. Tan inverse. So m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. So you can take plus minus or modulus of this. So this is angle between two lines. So you remember only the result. Remember only the result. No need of proof. Proof is very simple. You can consult any standard book. So we need this result. Now, two lines are y equals to m1x plus c1, y equals to m2x plus c2. So to find angle between two lines, you have to know how to find slope of line. You know, if any line, suppose this is general equation of straight line. So to find slope, you have to write it in terms of y minus a by b into x plus e by b. So what is slope? Coefficient of x is slope when it is expressed in the form y equals to m1x plus c. So to find slope, you have to know how to find slope. So you know it, this one is very simple. Now, write a basic 1 mark problem. Find angle of inclination of the line x plus y plus 1 equals to 0 with positive x-axis. If it is not given with positive x-axis, we suppose angle of inclination means angle made by the line with positive x-axis. So to find angle of inclination, you have to know how to find slope. So what is the line? Line is this one. Now what is m? M means minus 1. Minus 1 means m means tan theta. So what is theta? Theta is 135 degree. So to find slope, you have to know how to find angle between two lines. You have to know how to find slope. Now, look, if two lines are parallel, we have already used this result. If two lines are parallel, then theta equals to 0 degree or 180 degree. So tan theta equals to 0. So m2 minus m1, value of tan theta. So m2 equals to m1. m2 minus m1, 0. So m2 equals to m1. So two lines will be parallel if m2 equals to m1. So note 2. If two lines are perpendicular, then theta equals to 90. Now what is tan 90? Tan 90 is undefined. So we avoid it. So what is cot theta? Cot theta is 0. So So formula of cot theta is 1 plus m1 m2 reciprocal. So m1 m2 equals to minus 1. So two lines will be parallel if product of their slope is minus 1. So these are our working tool. Angle between two lines and condition of parallel straight line, condition of perpendicular straight line. Now we apply this theory to practical problems. Now, simple application of the result, that is angle between two lines. So angle between two lines is pi by 4. The slope of one of them is half. Find the slope of other. So we know tan theta equals to plus minus m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2. Or you can take mod. So tan pi by 4. What is theta? Theta is pi by 4 plus minus. This is m2. So slope m and m1 is half. 1 plus half into m. So we are considering slope of the line as m and another slope is given, that is half. So plus minus, if we simplify 2m minus 1 by 2 plus m. So we are getting this result. So this is plus minus. So taking positive sign, positive. So 1 equals to 2m minus 1 by 2 plus m. So this implies 2m minus 1 equals to 2 plus m. So this implies m equals to 3. So transferring m to left hand side, we are getting m equals to 3. Now taking negative, 1 equals to minus 2m minus 1 by 2 plus m. So this implies 2m minus 1 equals to minus 2 minus m. So 3m equals to minus 1. m equals to minus 1 by 3. So we are getting answer. So find the slope of the other. Slope of the other is either 3 or minus 1 by 3. What is slope of the other? 3 or minus 1 by 3. So these are basic problems. Now problem number 2. So slope of a line is double the slope of the other. If tangent of angle of inclination is 1 by 3, find the slope of the lines. Find the slope of the lines. Now look, it is given that angle tan theta equals to 1 by 3. Tangent of angle between the line is 1 by 3. So tan theta equals to 1 by 3. So this is m2 minus m1 by 1 plus m1 m2 equals to plus minus 1 by 3. So this is tan theta, mod tan theta. So we can write tan theta. You take plus minus sign in any one of the side. So given slope of a line is double the other. So let slopes are m and 2m. So 2m minus m by 1 plus 2m into m equals to plus minus 1 by 3. So we are taking plus minus to right hand side because this contains only one term. So slope of one is double of other. That is why 2m and m. So taking positive sign, taking positive. So this is m, this is m, this is m. So 3m equals to 3 into m. Taking positive sign, 1 plus 2m square. So 2m square minus 3m plus 1 equals to 0. So factorize it, it is quadratic equation. Minus 2m minus m plus 1 equals to 0. So taking common, 2m into m minus 1. 1 into m minus 1 equals to 0. So m minus 1 and 2m minus 1 equals to 0. So what are m? M equals to 1 and half. Look, 1 is double of other. Similarly, if you take negative sign, you get quadratic equation in m. So if you get real m, you take these values. So you complete the second part, that is taking negative sign. So these are very simple problem, but these are important problem of WBJE. Now I consider two more basic problems. Find angle between x minus 2y plus 3 equals to 0 and 3x plus y minus 1 equals to 0. So two lines are given. So to find slope, you have to find angles between them, you have to find slopes. So first line, this. So to find slope, you have to express y to left hand side. So y equals to half x plus 3y2. So what is m1? m1 is half. You can write it directly, no harm. So what is formula of slope? Coefficient of x by coefficient of y. Mind it, x and y are in different side. So x and y are in different side. Now second one is y equals to minus 3x plus 1. So what is m2? m2 is minus 3. So we are getting m2 and m1. So tan theta equals to plus minus m1 minus m3 by 1 plus m1 m2. This is formula of tan theta. You can take m2 minus m1 also. Here m1 is positive, m2 is negative. That is why I am taking m1 at first. So plus minus half plus 3, and this is 1 minus half into 1 plus half into minus 3. So this is plus minus 3 by 2. So 1 minus 3 by 2, this is minus half. This is 1 plus 3 by 2, that is 7 by 2. So plus minus minus 7. That is, you can write minus plus 7. You are getting two cases. Now, to find acute angle, you know tan theta is positive. So acute angle, tan theta equals to 7. So theta equals to tan inverse 7. And what is obtuse? Tan theta equals to minus 7. So theta equals to minus tan inverse is. Now you know sum of angle is 180. So if acute angle is tan inverse 7, then another one is pi minus tan inverse 7. So this also comes from formula of inverse circular function, tan inverse minus x, phi minus tan inverse x. So you find acute angle, or you find one angle, then subtract it with phi. So angle is tan inverse 7. So we are taking first the basic problems, then after completing theory, I will consider problem of competitive exam. Now find angle between line 2x minus 3y plus 1 equals to 0 and y equals to 0 and y equals to 0. So what is m? So you can write directly m equals to 2 by 3. So coefficient of x by coefficient of y when they are in different side. So m equals to 0. Now what y equals to mx plus c, y equals to 0 into x plus c. So what is m2? m2 is 0. Now what is tan theta? Plus minus m1 minus m2, 1 plus m1, m2. So plus minus 2 by 3. This is 1 plus 0, 2 by 3. So theta equals to tan inverse 2 by 3 pi minus tan inverse 2 by 3. So this is angle between the line. Now look, if it is y equals to 0, that is x equals to 0. So one line is x equals to 0 and another is any line. In this case, angle between them is the angle of inclination. So if it is y equals to 0, this is angle made by this line and x-axis. That is angle of inclination. So what is m? m equals to 2 by 3. So slope is 2 by 3. So what is angle of inclination? Tan inverse 2 by 3. Mind it, if it is y equals to 0, then it is angle between the line and x-axis. So you find angle of inclination. For the second one, angle between the line and with y-axis. Angle between the line and with y-axis. Then same case, you find angle between the line and x-axis and subtract with pi by 2. So look, m equals to 2 by 3, x equals to 0. So what is m2? m2 is undefined. Slope is y equals to x equals to 0, that is y-axis. X equals to 0 means y-axis. So tan theta equals to tan 90. So this is undefined. So tan theta equals to m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So divide it by m2 because m2 is undefined. So 1 by m2 plus m1. So 1 by m2. m2 is infinity. So 1 by m2 equals to tends to 0. So we write 0 minus 1. 1 by m2 plus m1. So 0 plus 2 by 3. So this is minus 3 by 2. So obviously plus minus. So tan theta equals to plus minus 3 by 2. What is theta? Tan inverse minus 3 by 2 and tan inverse minus 3 by 2. tan inverse 3 by 2. So previously, tan inverse 3 by 2. Previously, look with x-axis, tan theta equals to 2 by 3. So theta equals to tan inverse 2 by 3. Theta equals to tan inverse 2 by 3. Now this is angle with x-axis. With x-axis, mind it. An angle with y-axis is pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2 by 3. So cot inverse 2 by 3. Because tan inverse x plus cot inverse x equals to pi by 2. That is the result of inverse circular. So pi by 2 minus tan inverse 2 by 3. So cot inverse 2 by 3. So tan inverse 3 by 2. So mind it. When there is x equals to y equals to 0, that is x axis, angle of inclination. Do not use this method. When it is with x equals to 0, that is y axis, find angle with x axis. Then subtract with pi by 2. So today I have discussed how to find angle between two lines. That is tan theta equals to plus minus m1 minus m2 by 1 plus m1 m2. So condition of parallel line, condition of perpendicular line, and angle between two lines, they are practical uses. So we are considering only basic problems. So after completing basic problem, we will consider problem of competitive exam. In each competitive exam, you must get at least one problem from straight line. So thank you for today.